It has been a year I have been learning this language, and this is a video that you have been searching for so long, because I know you are desperately watching so many videos in a day on YouTube, but none of them are helping you. Trust me guys, this video is going to help you, because in this video I'm going to share everything that helped me to learn this language and that are helping me to learn this language, and I am improving day by day. I will share everything in a short and simple way. So first thing, जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर मैं नहीं सीखती तो मैं कभी इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाती. So that thing is tenses. Yes, tenses are the foundation of this language. If you can learn tenses, you can speak English. कोई तामझाम नहीं करना है. You just have to go on YouTube and search there tenses by dear sir. So this is the video that you have to watch. It is around 2 hours, and this video is just super. You know what? What do you think? I have learned tenses from school? No, I have learned tenses only from this video. Only from this. I'm really grateful that I found this video and I learned tenses and I'm speaking English now. So just watch this video carefully with full focus around 2 hours. Then yeah, you will learn tenses, I guarantee. And if you can learn tenses, then nobody can stop you to speak English. After this, what do you have to do? You have to focus on modal verbs. Yes, modal verbs are also important. They are easy as well. You can learn. So these are grammatical things, tenses and modal verbs. After this, you have to focus on 4 fundamentals, and I believe you already know about them: reading, listening, writing, speaking. These are the 4 fundamentals you have to focus. Okay, so let me quickly tell you that how I do my reading, listening, writing and speaking. I do my reading from books. You can see here. I love my books. This is my short library and I'm so grateful for this. These are the non-fiction books and this is fiction books. I just love my books. So I do reading from books only. I never read newspaper. Oh my god, reading a newspaper is not my cup of tea. Now when it comes to listening English, so I listen everything in English. Like I listen audiobooks as well, I listen a podcast, I listen music, I listen movies as well. I listen everything in English. Yes, I listen news as well in English, because I cannot read news but I can listen news. Now when it comes to writing, so I write about my experiences, I narrate my day, and I write my thoughts. All those things are going on in my mind. I write all those things. See, this is a notebook. I write everything in my diary. You guys are commenting so many good things about me and about my content, so I write those things as well. Now speaking, so as I don't have anyone with whom I can speak English, so I use online platforms where I do my English speaking practice. Now I am able to speak English, but still I follow all those things, because learning never stops. सीखना कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता. It's a language, not a subject. If you are watching till now, you are really amazing. मुझे नहीं पता था कोई मुझे इतना भी झेल सकता है क्या. You have that fire inside you to learn this language, and definitely you can speak this language. Don't feel demotivated. I'm here to help you. I will give my level best to teach you, to guide you, because I can totally understand your pain and your feelings, because once upon a time I was also there where you are right now. I used to think यार कोई तो मेरी हेल्प कर दे, कोई तो मुझे गाइड कर दे कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, कैसे पढ़ूँ, कैसे इंग्लिश बोलना सीखूँ. I used to think like this. So I can totally understand you. If you have any query, so please let me know in the comment below, and I will surely make video about that topic. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. You will definitely become a fluent speaker, definitely, for sure. Okay, so stay connected and let's grow together.